Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use plugins in Garageband. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Garageband application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can get started finding the instrument that we want to record and so on. As you can see, we have our keyboard right here, the drums. We can go ahead and plug in a guitar or just use the audio recorder to get started recording ourselves today. So let's go ahead and open up audio recorder right here so that we can go ahead and see how it all works and how we can get started with using our plugins. Basically guys, this is our recording session right now. This is the menu where we can get started recording, and to record ourselves we are going to go ahead and be using the big red circle button at the top of the screen. So once you click the big red circle, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and start the recording process, and now we can go ahead and get started with seeing a recording, adding effects and so on. So guys, to be able to find your plugins, all you have to do is just go right here into the upper left corner and click the sliders button. After clicking the sliders button, it's going to open up this audio recorder options right here where you can find your track settings and so on. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see you can find your plugins and equalizer. So guys, open up plugins and equalizer, and here you can find all the plugins and equalizers that you have. As you can see, we have the edit mode where you can go ahead and add more effects and find all the plugins that you have in GarageBand to be used right here and add them to your track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.